Keanu Reeves, Priyanka Chopra, Carrie-Ann Moss and more celebs showed up for the epic premiere of The Matrix Resurrections at Castro Theatre in San Francisco and posed for memorable pics on the red carpet. Keanu Reeves, 57, Priyanka Chopra, 39, and more celebs wowed while attending the premiere of their movie The Matrix Resurrections on Saturday night. The star-studded event took place at the Castro Theatre in San Francisco, California, and the red carpet was on fire when the stylish actors and actresses posed for photos in fashionable looks. Keanu, who plays the main character, Neo, in the film, looked very handsome in a suit and red striped tie as he rocked longer locks and a beard, and Priyanka, who also has a role in the film, showed off a sparkly silver dress with a red fan-like detail across the upper front. Keanu and Priyanka were also joined by Carrie-Ann Moss, 54, who reprises her role as Trinity, and she looked gorgeous in a black dress with sheer parts and a plunging neckline. Other stars that were spotted included Jada Pinkett Smith and her son Jaden Smith, Neil Patrick Harris, Jonathan Groff, Mark Jacobs, and Jessica Henwick. The cast also posed for group pics together and looked stylish and thrilled to be a part of the special night. Related gallery. Keanu Reeves through the years, photos of the actor then and now. The Matrix Resurrections is the fourth installment in the Matrix franchise. The other parts that have been released over the years include The Matrix, 1999, and its sequels The Matrix Reloaded, 2003, The Matrix Revolutions, 2003. The latest film takes place 20 years after the previous part and tells the story of the reprised characters, Neo and Trinity, trying to free humanity from the Matrix, which is a virtual reality system run by artificial intelligence that imprisons human beings and uses them as a power source. The film reportedly shows Neo living his life as his original identity, Thomas A. Anderson, in San Francisco when he ends up meeting Trinity, but they don't recognize each other at first. Neo then takes the red pill after a new version of Morpheus gives it to him and he is reopened to the Matrix again before joining a group of rebels to fight the enemy. The Matrix Resurrections, which is directed by Lana Wachowski, will officially be released in theaters on December 22.